Let's learn how to divide the number 290 by 2 using the long division method. To do this, at first we'll write down the numbers in this way. Consider the first digit 2. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 9 here. Look that this is the number 9. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 290 divided by 2 is equal to 145. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.